Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. In today's lesson, let's learn some words, their meanings, pronunciation, examples, as well as sentences to use in daily conversation. I would request you to continue practicing in order to get good grasp on your spoken English skills. Wish you all the best. So let's get started. The first word is bark. It's a noun meaning A. The short, sharp, harsh sound by dogs and foxes. B. Any similar sound. For example, the sound of a gun being fired or of a cough. Idiom. Somebody's bark is worse than their bite. Now let's move to the sentence. A dog always barks at strangers. Next word is calm. It's an adjective meaning not excited, nervous, or troubled. Quite. Sentence. It is important to stay calm in an emergency. Next sentence. The city is calm again after yesterday's riots. Next. Just calm down a bit. The next word is burn. It's a verb. Past tense. Past participle. Burnt or burned. Meaning to destroy, damage, injure, or mark somebody something by fire, heat, or acid. Example: burn dead leaves / waste paper / rubbish. Sentence: all his belongings were burnt in the fire. Next, his face was badly burnt by the hot sun. Next sentence, I burnt myself while I was getting the food out of the oven. Next word is aboard. On or into a train, a bus, a ship, or an aircraft. Example: we went / climbed aboard. Next example: welcome aboard or all aboard. Sentence: he was already aboard the ship. An Italian airliner has crashed, killing all 150 people. Next word is abolish. It's a verb meaning to end the existence of a law, a practice, an institution, etc. Example: vote to abolish a tax. Sentence: should the death penalty be abolished?